Timekettle X1 Meeting AI Translation Voice Recorder Review. Real proof it just works. You sat through a 2-hour meeting with 3 languages flying around the room and left with half a page of guesswork notes? Painfully specific? You smiled and nodded while missing every third sentence, silently hoping nobody asks you to recap anything. Type guilty if this is your life right now. Because here is the real question. What if you never missed another word again? That suffocating moment when the room laughs and you are still decoding the opening sentence is not just awkward. It is actively costing you deals, credibility, and real money on the table. What if control was actually simple? What if one quiet device handled everything before the painful pause even landed? Keep watching, because what comes next completely rewrites that experience. Then I put the Timekettle X1 Meeting AI translation voice recorder on the conference table, and everything got stupidly quiet. Don't just pick any AI translation recorder. Make sure it has bone conduction multi-point voice capture so you never feel that suffocating panic of losing critical words inside a noisy, chaotic room ever again. Here are the 6 superpowers nobody actually explains properly. First, bone conduction physically separates your voice from background noise so transcription stays razor clean, even in a loud open plan office. Second, preset speaker labeling automatically identifies who said what, meaning your post-meeting documentation essentially writes itself. Third, 52 languages backed by 13 offline packs means a dead Wi-Fi connection never kills a critical deal midway. Fourth, secure wired export keeps every confidential word completely off cloud servers. Fifth, 5 translation modes stretch from quiet one-on-one conversations up to 60-person hosted sessions without any friction. Sixth, no subscription ever. Pay once and receive free upgrades permanently. 2:47 a.m., full presentation in 6 hours, entire structured transcript exported cleanly in one single tap. And I nearly cried with relief. That hidden ask and go mode, nobody talks about it enough. Stay right here. Hours of painful manual note-taking completely eliminated. Clarity restored in rooms that used to feel overwhelming and chaotic. Meeting performance doubled simply because you finally understood every single word being exchanged. Results that made colleagues across the table quietly lean over and ask what changed about your preparation. Tom's Guide described the Timekettle X1 Meeting AI translation voice recorder as a powerful standalone translator engineered specifically for serious professional use, not another disposable phone app. NextPit's detailed review flagged the multi-person group meeting capability as a genuine structural competitive advantage for multilingual enterprise teams working across borders. TurboFast 3.0 translation technology is independently documented to run 60% faster than traditional simultaneous translation approaches, and that figure comes from third-party testing. One verified Reddit user wrote directly, "The device automatically records conversations in both languages and exports full transcripts with a single tap, which genuinely saves enormous time after every meeting." I personally watched someone close a high-stakes cross-border negotiation in real time using this exact device, while the other party had absolutely no idea how effortlessly it was running. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily. Is the price worth it without a subscription? One device, 0 recurring fees, lifetime upgrades included. That math completely destroys the objection. Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for clarity, 2 for speed, or 3 for privacy protection. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire communication approach and never once looked back. The Timekettle X1 Meeting AI translation voice recorder turns every multilingual meeting into a clear, fully documented, translatable conversation you actually own and control. No subscription quietly draining your budget each month. No panic spreading across your face in the room. No missed words silently costing you the deal. First link in the description, pinned right at the top, because I am not letting you miss this. You already know this one is yours.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.